Basic English speaking practice.
Hello, how are you today? What's your name? Where are you from? Do you speak English? What do you do? Are you free this evening? Can we meet at 6 p.m.? Do you like watching movies? What kind of music do you listen to? Are you hungry? Let's go eat something. Do you need any help? How was your day? What are you doing now? It was nice talking to you. Where are you going? Can I join you? What's your favorite food? Have you ever been abroad? How long have you been here? Do you have any siblings? What's your hobby? Do you like reading books? Can you recommend a good movie? How do you spend your weekends? Do you enjoy cooking? Are you a morning person? What time do you usually wake up? Have you finished your homework? See you again soon.